Get the camera on my goddamn face.
Get the camera on my face. I don't even know I'm in
Go on,
this.
mate. Go for it.
The
Yeah,
sun,
for you, mate.
the sun
Go
is
for it,
perfectly
Go on, mate. Nice one.
blocking out.
I got you, mate. I got you.
You're crazy. This is what I have to deal with. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to another vlog video. Hi guys, it's currently Friday and I'm in the midst of doing orders today. So I'm cutting stickers. It's probably a bad angle. I don't know if I think I've spoken about it. I have spoken about it before on my Instagram, but I am kind of feeling very worried and stressed out about doing this year's calendar. The past 2 years I have done it whilst what I did was I did Inktober, and the work that I made in Inktober I used to make my calendars. Sorry if you can't hear me, these are really super loud. But you guys have been increasingly asking me to make the calendars early, so I'm feeling a lot of pressure. So I'm going to try and draw some. I've been on the fence about doing new ones. Sorry, I'm just looking to make sure if these stickers are on a certain part of the sticker cut, because then I need to grab it, otherwise it will get stuck in the machine. But yeah, I'm still on the fence about whether if I'm going to do it. Just take that off. Whether I'm going to do all new illustrations or use some of the ones that I've done this year, which I know you guys love and you said you don't mind. But if you don't know me by now, I'm a little bit of a perfectionist. So I like things to be all new. I like new stuff. I like to give you guys new stuff. So I'll see. I'm going to see if I can draw some new work for you for the calendar and try and get these out earlier. But that's my plan for today. I would like to draw some new artwork, but also I'm in a little bit of a kind of like a art block. So let's see if I can make some new artwork. So guys, send me some positive energy. I need the positive energy. I always do that. Not always, but when fall and winter, so it's 3 p.m. now. It's 4:30 now. I collected the kids after school, and actually I'm just feeling quite drained. So what I'm going to do now is finish off cutting the rest of the stickers for this week's orders, this batch of orders, and then I think I'm going to rest because I can't stop working. But I think I just need to rest. I'm feeling a bit drained. I think it's just the end of the week syndrome, so I think I just need to rest. Yeah, give yourself a break. Know when to take a rest. Hi guys, it's Monday today, and I spent the whole weekend just literally sitting in my bed, relaxing. I felt really drained on the Friday evening, the last time we spoke, and I think I just needed to rest. So I didn't do much on a Saturday and Sunday. Today I'm just going to be catching up on things. I've got loads of emails, and I've got to pack some orders up and ship those out. And I'm going to do the Monday illustration. I'm not sure if I'm 100% in the mood, but we'll see what comes of it. What else am I going to do today? Yeah, I really wanted to start the illustrations for my calendars, but like I said before, I'm feeling a bit of a funk, and I'm feeling slightly stressed about it, if I'm honest. But like I said before, I previously did the illustrations all through the month of October, and then I created the calendar in November time. So it's just that people want the calendar a bit earlier, so we'll see. I want to get it done earlier, because I know it was a lot of stress last year posting out constantly through November and December, but we shall see. Like I said, I'm feeling a little bit drained, and I don't want to be pushing myself. It's my birthday next month, guys, so and December's always a busy time for me, so I think I should be not winding down, but I definitely need to have some things in place and try and make this year not so hectic, and definitely have a bit of time off for my birthday. But you guys know me, I don't like to stop working, so we shall see. But I'm going to take it easy today, because yeah, I think I just need to. I think I need to not go full steam ahead, but I'll catch up with you later. Bye. Like naked bars, so I'm hoping like that. Right, so
we're gonna get anything done in the post office deadline, innit?
Yeah, so go away, shoo.
How many should I take this off?
That's alright. I've had a pretty successful day today. It's now 7:30, and I've managed to get all the shipping notifications off to all the lovely customers who had their orders shipped out today. So I'm pretty happy that I've got it back to 0 now. So that means tomorrow I can kind of feel relaxed and start the day and do another task without feeling worried that I've got something else left to do or outstanding things. I'll catch up with you tomorrow to let you know what's going on. So guys, I thought that I should be able to have a free day today and do some illustrating. But I totally forgot about some things that are important that I need to do. For example, like Patreon, and sort my Patreon rewards out. So that's what happens, guys, when you don't organise your calendar and plan for the day. Can't get into this thing. And yeah, so I'm going to, before I do any illustrating, if I ever get to that, I am going to be taking some pictures for my Patreon, so they can do the monthly thing where they select what prints that they want to get as their reward for the month. This guy, whoever done this, packed this so tight. So what I'm going to do is take a few pictures for that. done today? I've literally spent the whole morning and some best part of the afternoon answering emails. See, this is what happens when you don't, like I said before, when you don't plan your day. And it just goes to show that how many times I come on here and actually say, I'm going to start doing illustrations today, and never actually start them. I'm just too busy. Look where you're going. You're super pretty. Hello. I don't want it in the kitchen. I want you to take it back where it belongs. Hey man, look at this gorgeous going. Oh yeah. You're completely destroying everything in my office, guys. Nutters. So I finally managed to do some illustrating. These two girls I'd done before, and this one I did today, so that's what you saw me sketching. Sorry, this lens is not the right lens for this. But I think I'm going to end the vlog here. But I do feel positive that I've started the 2019 calendar. But yeah, I probably talk about it on my Instagram a lot, and as you know, I've probably been stressing about it. But yeah, I'm feeling positive. I think I've got the idea in my head now of how I want it to be. So these are the first 3 girls. I think I may change that first girl, but who knows. I'm going to end the vlog here, and I'll catch up with you guys next week.